In this video, I will be showing you how to delete a webmail account in Hostinger. So let's get started with the video. Once we log into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. I have only one domain in my hosting account, vibeskill.io. If you have more than one domain, select the domain in which the webmail is associated. We need to click the Manage button. Next, we need to click the Manage Email button under the Manage Your Email section. Next, we need to click the Mailboxes tab on the left side of this page. Here we can see that only one webmail account has been created. To delete the webmail account, we need to click the three-dotted More option. From the drop-down list, we need to select the Delete option. Again, we need to click the Delete button in the pop-up window. And with this, we come to the end of this video. Please like, share, and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updates.